do we see? A lovely letter. L for me. L is for lion, loud and proud. Roar like a lion, big and loud. L is for lemon, sour and bright. Pucker your lips, what a funny bite. L is for leaf, floating down slow. Wave your hand and watch it go. L is for lollipop, sweet and round. Lick, 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 that yummy sound. L is for ladybug, spots we see. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. L is for lamp, it shines so bright. Click it on, what a lovely light. L is for laugh, so happy and true. Let's laugh together. Woohoo! Lion, lemon, leaf, and more. Lollipop, ladybug, lamp, what a score! Laugh with me, hooray, hooray! We learned L in a fun new way. Thanks for watching, friends, today. We learned L in a happy way. Don't forget to click and play. Like and subscribe. Hip, hip, hooray!